All right, so I'm also going to have to pull the cage out in order to get to the seatbelt bolts at the bottom as well. So all right, mounted the anti-submariner belt for the 5-point. Now I'm going to set the seat in there. I've got the brackets drilled. I'm actually going to add another bolt in order to secure it, but get it lined up and dropped in here. All right, I have the seat set in there. I've got the seat belts kind of routed. Now I need to connect the seat belts. See that sparkle? Yeah, it's awesome. Connect the seat belts to where the stock seat bolted, and I'm going to use a little bit longer bolt that came from the rear brackets. And I'm going to go through one of the rear seat belts. I modified so it was able to be used up front. The reason I modified it is because in the rear, the two seat belts with the nylon strap are connected together in the middle with a brass fitting. I just basically cut the brass fitting off and separated the two nylon webbing straps, and now I'm just mounting one of these straps on this side so I can use the stock seat belt as well. And then over here, I'm going to take the NRG, I guess you'd call it a bracket, and mount it to the seat bracket as it goes through the floor. So that's what we're going to try and line up real quick. All right, got all the seat belts snugged up. I'm going to torque those down when I get done, but let's first see how it looks here. I still have to route these top straps through there, but looking pretty sharp. I've been doing what I can to try and keep my greasy hands off of it, but it's gonna look real sharp. Let's do a test fit. Got the NRG Ultra Prismas installed, my NRG steering wheel. These are really comfortable. I was surprised at how they fit. These are the large size. I'm 5'9", 220 pounds, and these fit great. Give you a look at what that looks like. I still need to bundle up the excess harness there, but these fit very well, and I really like the look of them.